Math Gad.
Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to find the equation of a parallel line. So we're going to be given an initial line and then we want to find what is the equation of a line that is going to be parallel to that first line. Okay, so let's begin. So guys, in order to find the equation of a parallel line, it's always useful that you guys remember the following. Here we have a rule reminder. If two lines are parallel, then that means that their slopes are going to be the same, right? So in this case, we are told to find the equation of line T that passes through points A, minus 2, 4, and B, minus 5, 10. And then we're being asked what is the slope of that line. After that, we're also told that we have to find the equation of another line, line E, that is actually parallel to the first one and that passes through a point. And again, they're going to ask us what is the slope, right? So let's begin with the first line, which is line T. So in order to find the slope, right, of line T, we're going to be told like the slope of T is going to be 4, right, minus 10 divided by minus 2 minus 5. So here we have to remember that the formula of the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And in this case, I'm choosing A to be 0.2 and B to be 0.1. So we have 4 minus 10 is going to be minus 6. And then 2 minus 5 is actually going to be minus 2 plus 5, which is going to give us minus 6 divided by 3. And that means that our slope is going to be of minus 2. Correct? Now, an important thing that we have to remember is the rule reminder. So if two lines are parallel, that means that their slopes are going to be the same, which means that the slope of both of them, because line E is parallel to T, is going to be minus 2. So that means that the slope of E or ME is also going to be minus 2. Now, in order to find the equations of the lines, we just have to remember the general formula, right? So we have to remember that y is equal to mx plus b, right? So in order to find that value of b in each equation, we're going to choose one point in which the line passes. So for t, we know that, for example, we know that the value of y is going to be 4. The slope, we already know it's minus 2. The value of x is going to be minus 2. And then we do not know the value of b. So we have that 4 is going to be equal to minus 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. Sorry, positive 4 plus b, right? So now in this case, we know that 4 minus 4, because this 4 passes subtracting, is going to be equal to b. So 0 is going to be equal to b. So that means that the equation of line T is going to be y equals to m, which is minus 2, x plus b, which is 0. And because it is 0, we don't actually need to put it. Now we're going to do the same exercise with line E. We know that y is equal to mx plus b, right? So in this case, we know that y is going to be minus 2 because we're given that point, is equal to minus 2, which is going to be the slope of E, times x, which is going to be in this case 6 plus b. Now we know that's minus 2 equals minus 2 times 6 is minus 12 plus b. This minus 12 is going to pass to the other side, right? So that means that our answer of b is going to be 10, which means that our equation of line E, right, is going to be y is equal to minus 2x, right, plus 10, because in this case we do have a value for b. Okay guys, so again, the first thing we did is that we found the slope. Because they are parallel, both lines have the same slope, and then we just find b in each case. we're given a point that we can use for both lines T and E, and when we find the value of E, you're all set in order to find the answer. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!